Hello everyone, chapped lips are a common problem for many people. This condition worsens in the autumn-winter period, so especially for you we have prepared information about 3 oils that will protect lips from chapping. Put a like under the video to help develop the channel. Enjoy watching. As you know, chapped lips are not only an aesthetic problem, but also cause painful sensations, which is explained by the appearance of numerous wounds on the surface of the lips. There are many cases of chapped lips, the most common of which is the systematic licking of the lips, which is not only unsightly, but also harmful. Many might think that licking their lips moisturizes them, but this is far from the case. The point is that the skin on the lips is very delicate, and every time it is moistened with saliva, air currents aggressively affect it, exposing it to destruction. Bad habits also negatively affect the skin of the lips, including smoking and alcohol. However, natural factors that do not concern us add fuel to the fire. These include the harmful effects of ultraviolet rays, that is, sunlight, which dries. To maintain the beauty and health of the skin. To care for your lips and make them soft and gentle, use special natural oils that have a long-lasting effect and are not addictive, do not disrupt the natural water balance, and do not contain harmful chemicals. Today we will talk about the most popular and at the same time effective 3 oils that you can safely use for your lips. Coconut oil can be a real salvation for chapped skin. It helps slow down skin aging due to the fact that it contains fatty acids. I recommend preparing a simple mask with coconut oil. You can see the ingredients on the screen. To prepare the mask, mix them in a 1:1 ratio. Add honey to the coconut oil melted in a water bath. Then mix well and let it harden. It is recommended to use it once a day, in the evening. Almond oil is considered one of the best moisturizers that can and should be used daily, at any time of the year. It enhances the effect of using other oils. For the mask recipe, take almond oil and lemon juice and mix them one by one. It is optimal to apply this mask before bedtime. There is no point in saying too much about the benefits of olive oil. It is used not only for cosmetic purposes, but also for medicinal purposes. Mix olive oil and honey in equal parts. It is recommended to apply the prepared mixture 3 times a week for 15 to 20 minutes, then simply rinse with warm water. Write in the comments which oil you used and what effect you managed to achieve. Like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.